At least 12 newborn babies have been killed after a fire broke out in the maternity ward of a major hospital in West Baghdad. This has prompted the resignation of Iraq's health minister. 9 babies and 29 women were rescued and transferred to other hospitals. Officials say an electrical fault sparked the blaze in Yarmuk hospital just after midnight. Forensic teams searched the gutted ward for evidence, and angry relatives massed outside the hospital to wait for more information from the authorities.